Hello together. In this video I want to show you how to insert a SIM card on the POCO F4. Before we insert the SIM card, we must take a look at the SIM card. And you can see here I have a SIM card on my finger. This is a so-called nano SIM card. And it's the smallest SIM card you can buy at this moment. If you have a slightly bigger model, then you have a standard SIM card or a micro SIM card, but we need a nano SIM card. So if you don't have one, just call your provider and they will send you a new one. The second step is we must look where we must put in the SIM card, and here you can see here we must put it in. This is a little tray and here is a little hole, and we must put something in this hole to open this tray. And for this you must open your box, and if you open your box you see here is a needle, and this is a so-called SIM card ejector tool. So it's a metal needle, so you can open this tray with this tool, or you can just use the good old paper clip. And you can see here I have a standard paper clip. You can use this also. So I just go to this hole and push a little bit, and then it will open. And then we will see here we have two sides. We have here the SIM 2 and here we have SIM 1. I hope you can see it. Oh, you can here SIM 1. Okay, and here you can see there is a special corner, and the same corner you have here on the SIM card. So there's no chance that you can put in the SIM card in the wrong way. So okay, I put it in now, and then all I have to do is to put it back in, hole on hole, and just press it, and then all we have to do is just to wait a few seconds, and you can see here enter SIM pin for card 1, and this is 4 times 0, and I say okay, and then you can see here directly my signal is there, and now I can use my SIM card to chat with my friends when I'm outside and to go on the internet and so on and so forth. Yes, that was it, how to insert the SIM card in the POCO F4. I hope this video helped you a little bit. If yes, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see us the next time. Bye bye.